So today I am going to teach you continue lines and angles. So here a very important concept for lines and angles. You should know few things like if two lines are there are two lines. This is two lines and there is one more line, so in these two, first case 1, let me write this is case 1 and this is case 2. So in the first one, lines are not parallel. In the second case, lines are parallel. Okay. Now we will draw one more line. Here also we will draw one more line. This red color line is known as a transversal. Because the line which intersects two or more lines, we call it as a transversal. So here let me give the names. L and M are in the first case. In the second case, P and Q are in the second case. So PQ are parallel lines, LM are not parallel lines. So whatever the case may be, whether they are parallel or not, total 4 angles will be formed. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 angles will be formed. Total 8 angles will be formed. Here also same way. So here also 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 angles are formed. So now in both the cases we call this red color line is a transversal. So transversal, when a transversal intersects two lines, then 8 angles will be formed. So here few specially named angles are there. First one, corresponding angles. Pair of corresponding angles. I will write pair also. Pair of corresponding angles. So here pair of corresponding angles are angle 1, angle 5. These two are corresponding. They should be on the same side of the transversal. एक ही साइड रहना है and दोनों lines के ऊपर रहना है. They have to be above the line. 1 is above the M and 5 is above the line, and they are on the same side. Such pair is known as a corresponding pair. So here there is one more pair, angle 2 and angle 6. This is also pair of corresponding angles. They are above. If you are seeing, they can be below also. Angle 4 and angle 8 also we call it as a pair of corresponding angles. No problem, Amarpreet Singh, 0 watching. It's okay. It's my hobby to teach. And then because everybody will be busy in going to the schools, they will see if they want to see. And other pair is angle 3 and angle 7. So there are 4 pairs of corresponding angles. Whether it is the two lines are intersecting. Amardeep Singh, if you are in 10, my 10th class starts at 6 o'clock. Just now I have finished class. So if you are really interested, you can join me at 6 o'clock every day. Okay, and if you want to support, you can contact me. Okay, this is exclusively for 9th class, and lines and angles chapter is going on. So then this is pair of corresponding angles in both the cases. But what is the specialty when it is in the second case? That means if the two lines are parallel, in this corresponding angles are equal. Pair of corresponding angles are equal. I am writing COR, corresponding angles are equal. So that means in this case, what happens? Angle 1 is equal to angle 5 only in the case 2. When two lines are parallel, angle 1 is equal to 5, angle 2 is equal to angle 6, and angle 4 is equal to angle 8, and angle 3 is equal to angle 7. So corresponding pair of corresponding angles are equal when the two lines are parallel. They are not equal when the two lines are not parallel. Okay. Amarpreet Singh, whenever you are free, you can see my videos. Okay. Otherwise, download my Dear Teacher app. You can connect with me directly. I can teach you one-to-one also. I can support you one-to-one. Dear Teacher from the Play Store. From the Play Store, you can download Dear Teacher app, and then you can connect with me. Whenever you are free, you can connect with me. I'll be replying to your messages. So this is first one. And how they are equal? How they are equal? It is an axiom. It is a fact. Measure करके देखना ही है. There is no other go. So now let us go to the second pair of angles. Pair of alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. So now interior, they should be inside. Interior angles 4, 3 and 4, 3, 6 and 5. They are interior. Alternate means they should be either side of the opposite sides of the transversal. So here angle 4 and 6, angle 4 and angle 6 are pair of alternate interior angles, and angle 3 and angle 5 are only two pairs will be there. Only two pairs. Krishna Sisudia, good morning. So 4 and 6 and 3 and 5. In case of if these two lines are parallel, even alternate interior angles are equal. In the case 2, alternate interior angles are equal. Angle 4 is equal to 6 and angle 3 is equal to 5. Okay. If the two lines are parallel, then only alternate interior angles are equal. So for this you have a proof also. You can prove. Proof is there. Then in the examination, how you will be getting two lines are parallel, a transversal intersecting the two pair of parallel line. Prove that each pair of alternate interior angles are equal. This is the question, how you get it. Okay. So then there is a proof. I am going to teach you after entire thing. Okay. Now next pair is third. Third is pair of alternate exterior angles are also there, but we are not using. Pair of consecutive interior angles. Consecutive interior angles on the same side of the transversal. On the same side be interior, but they should be on the same side. So then what happened? Angle 4 and angle 6. These angle 4 and angle 5. These two are consecutive interior angles on the same side of the transversal. And there is one more pair, angle 3 and angle 6. Two pairs of consecutive interior angles on the same side. So what happened to case 2? In case 2, these two angles form a linear pair. Angle 4 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degrees. And the same way, angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degrees. That means if the two lines are parallel, consecutive interior angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary. So this is also proof is there. For this also proof. That means he will be asking a question. There is a theorem on this. So how a transversal intersects a pair of parallel lines? That is the first condition. Prove that each pair of consecutive interior angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary. Okay, so these three pairs, there is one more pair of of external alternate exterior angles. So here I did not write pair of alternate exterior angles. So pair of alternate exterior angles means 1 and 7, they should be outside, and 2 and 8, they are also equal. So this is a very important concept. Based on this we have problems. First let me explain those theorems, right? Prove that alternate interior angles are equal. So I am rubbing it. The question goes like this. The question theorem goes like this. A transversal intersects a pair of parallel lines. Pair of parallel lines. Then prove that each pair of PT means prove that each pair of alternate interior angles are equal. This is the theorem. A very important, easy question also. So let me give you. This is two parallel lines are given and a transversal is given. So let me name it. Once you draw the figure, you should label it. If you are not labeling it, it is a crime. You won't be getting full marks. So L, M are parallel lines and T transversal. So as per the figure, I will write given. L is parallel to M and T is equal to transversal. So now what is to be proved? I will write numbers also. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Prove that each pair of alternate angles. So that means angle 3 is equal to angle 5. This is one pair. Angle 4 is equal to angle 6. This is another pair. So he asked us to prove that each pair of alternate interior angles are equal. So then let me go to the proof. So our target is to prove 3 is equal to So now we have to use the axiom. There is corresponding angle axiom. Corresponding angles are equal. So we know that angle 1 is equal to 5. I will write corresponding angle axiom. When a transversal intersects a pair of parallel lines, corresponding angles are equal. So, and in the same way, but 1 is equal to 3 because vertically opposite angles. They are vertically opposite angles. Two lines are intersecting, pair of vertically opposite angles are equal. So, in the first equation, 1 should be replaced by 3. So, that implies 3 is equal to 5. First one is proved. Then how to prove the second one? You take 2 is equal to 3. 2 is equal to angle 2 is equal to angle 6. Corresponding angle axiom. But 2 is equal to 4 vertically opposite angles. 2 is equal to this 2 and 4 are equal. 2 is equal to 4 vertically opposite angles. So then what happens? In the place of 2, I will write 4. Angle 4 is equal to angle 6. So this is second one. So second one is proved. So prove that each pair of alternate interior angles are equal. So like this you can do, and change if you want to have a practice for this. Change the parallel lines. अभी पैरेलल लाइन ऐसा है ना, ऐसा ड्रॉ करो. ऐसा डिफरेंट पैरेलल लाइन्स ड्रॉ करके आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो. राइट, पैरेलल लाइन ऐसा ड्रॉ करो एंड ट्रांसवर्सल ऐसा ड्रॉ करो. Then you take the same question and prove it. So that will be a practice for you. Okay. So now I will end my class at this juncture. Tomorrow, same time 6:30, we are going to have a theorem and few problems on these two theorems. Okay. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Subscribe, share my videos to your friends. Bye bye.